Get ready. Start. I have received. I have received. In other respects. In other respects. In reply. In reply. In reply to. In reply to. In reply of. In reply of. We have received. We have received. Almost certain. Almost certain. Just been. Just been. Just received. Just received. Last week. Last week. Last month. Last month. Last year. Last year. Most probably. Most probably. Must be. Must be. Next week. Next week. There must be. There must be. You must be. You must be. You must not be. You must not be. Very pleased indeed. Very pleased indeed. Very pleased indeed. Very pleased indeed. In fact. In fact. In point of fact. In point of fact. Telegraph office. Telegraph office. Worthwhile. Worthwhile. In the manner. In the manner. And in like manner. And in like manner. And in the same manner. And in the same manner. And in the same manner as. And in the same manner as. In this manner. In this manner. Next month. Next month. This month. This month. As far as possible. As far as possible. As much as possible. As much as possible. As soon as possible. As soon as possible. As well as possible. As well as possible. As if it were possible. As if it were possible. Just possible. Just possible. Between them. Between them. Foundation stone. Foundation stone. One another. One another. Towards one another. Towards one another. Industrial life. Industrial life. I hope. I hope. I hope you are satisfied. I hope you are satisfied. And the contrary. And the contrary. Cannot be considered. Cannot be considered. For consideration. For consideration. Fully considered. Fully considered. Further considered. Further considered. Further consideration. Further consideration. I have concluded. I have concluded. In conclusion. In conclusion. Into consideration. Into consideration. It is considered. It is considered. It may be considered. It may be considered. Little consideration. Little consideration. Must be considered. Must be considered. Necessary conclusion. Necessary conclusion. Necessary consequence. Necessary consequence. Ought to be considered. Ought to be considered. Satisfactory conclusion. Satisfactory conclusion. Shall be considered. Shall be considered. Shall be taken into consideration. Shall be taken into consideration. Should be considered. Should be considered. Some consideration. Some consideration. Take into consideration. Take into consideration. Take consideration. Take consideration. Taken into consideration. Taken into consideration. That conclusion. That conclusion. Unsatisfactory conclusion. Unsatisfactory conclusion. We have concluded. We have concluded. Were considered. were considered, which will be considered, which will be considered, which will be taken into consideration, which will be taken into consideration. Stop.